We've restored and started managing the hedgerows. They will give lots of cover for birds and insects. We've planted about 4,000 trees.
She's blurring the boundaries between woodland and grassland, opening up some of the older woodlands to grazing to recreate that structural diversity within it.
Meadows have been managed. We have taken away the very dominant rush and made space for other species.
She's restoring these species-rich meadows that are so specific to this part of Devon. She knows the role that animals can play in their environment, and she knows the role that the environment must play in the animal's life. To me, Carolyn's such a good farmer.